Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you're doing a lot of work with your laptop on your lap, you'll notice that it gets really hot, and it's really just not good for us. Having a laptop stand like this one from MaxSmart is a huge help when you're doing your work. This laptop stand is really awesome because it has a beautiful, really soft cushion that you can put right on top of your lap. In between is a case inside where it holds the mouse pad, and the reason for the case is because this also has a fan. So not only are you protecting your lap, but you're also putting in that fan function for your laptop as well. The stand is really durable feeling. It has grids on the outside edges so that your laptop stays in place while you're working. And I really like this ledge at the bottom that also provides a lot of stability for your laptop. You can use this stand whether you're traveling in the car or if you're camping. It's awesome for tablets as well as for laptops. And I find that it just holds everything in place really well. Protecting your computer from overheating and protecting your lap from overheating is such a great feature. It's so easy to be able to do with a great pad like this, but that's just my point of view.